Welcome to Kids Can Cook, where kids can cook. Today we're going to be making delicious fudgy brownies. You will need half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 medium eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, a fourth a cup of cocoa powder. We will also be using 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a half a cup of butter. Using 1 bowl, 1 large bowl, 1 whisk, 1 spatula, 1 grease pan, and 1 piece of foil. Next thing you want to do is take your sugar and put it inside of the bowl. Then take 1 egg, crack it, and mix it in with the sugar. Repeat this process for all the eggs. The next thing you want to do is add your salt. To melt the chocolate in the butter, you need to put both of them inside of the bowl. How I like to melt my butter and chocolate is to put it onto a saucepan with boiling water. As you can see, my chocolate and butter mixture has liquefied. Now I will mix both of the mixtures together. Now mix them both together. Also add the vanilla extract. Now mix it with the vanilla extract. You should be able to smell the vanilla when you mix it. Now take a sift and sift the cocoa powder and the flour together. After putting in your flour and your cocoa powder, you want to fold it in until it's well combined. Take the aluminum foil and set it onto the greased pan. Now pour the batter into the pan. You will probably also want to use a spatula to scrape it all off. Now that it is all out of the bowl, you want to put it into a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. I will come back and show you the results when it's finished. This is what the brownie should look like after 30 minutes in the oven. Let it cool for about 15 minutes, then cut it. Now we cut. For the taste test. That is so good. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and also ring that notification bell for upcoming videos.